Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to upload video on Google Drive and share link. And here is how. To begin with, you must visit Google Drive at google.com/drive and ensure that you are logged into your Google account. Then click Go to Drive to proceed. This will bring you to this page. From here, you have two options for uploading your file. Either select New and then File Upload, or open the file in your File Explorer. I will now upload this file, which you can then access by simply dragging it in any direction to launch the File Explorer. Locate your file EMS in the downloads and choose it to upload it to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Thus, simply wait for it to upload. After it does, you can share it. To share it, locate your video, right-click on it, select Share, and then select Start Sharing. This is important as, at the moment, access to the video file is restricted and requires a request from the person with the link. You must ensure that everyone who has it may view it. The file can now be downloaded by anyone you provide the link to if you change this to someone with the link. It is also crucial to remember that the person with the link can only view and download the file. Once the URL has been copied, you can forward it to someone by clicking on this link. If you go to an editor, they can also remove it and add other files. If they click on it, they will be directed to this page where they can view the video and, in the upper right corner, download it. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.